In a world where every drop counts, staying ahead of water management is not just about compliance, it's about sustainability. With rising water costs and the need to meet stringent guidelines set by the CGWA in India and other environmental regulatory bodies worldwide, you need a solution that not just fulfilling these norms, but also advanced and reliable. Introducing Pravaha E&E Solutions, groundbreaking ultrasonic flow meter engineered for real-time, precise water monitoring. Unlike traditional meters, Pravaha isn't just a device, it's a comprehensive water management solution, offering cutting-edge technology that ensures long-term stability and a wide measurement range. Monitor your water consumption, detect leaks early, and reduce system pressure loss, all without disrupting your existing infrastructure. Powered by NB-IoT technology, Pravaha boasts a long-lasting battery that operates efficiently for up to 5 years. With user-defined data logging intervals, with an intuitive LCD display, you can monitor flow direction, rates, and accumulative data at a glance, providing you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. Certified to Metrology ISO 4064, 2014 and IP68 Ingress protection, Pravaha connects effortlessly via LTE and GSM frequency bands, ensuring you are always in control, no matter where you are. With robust mechanical specifications, including a durable ABS plastic enclosure and casing of cast iron, Pravaha is designed to endure. Available in sizes ranging from DN25 to DN200 and adaptable to both horizontal and vertical installation. Pravaha fits seamlessly into any setting. Whether you are monitoring in extreme temperature or high humidity, Pravaha delivers consistent performance. With over 2,000 units already installed at prestigious clients such as WHO, Taj, JK Lakshmi, Adani and Amul, Pravaha is trusted worldwide across countries. Trust Pravaha to lead the way in efficient, eco-friendly water management. Because with Pravaha, every drop is accounted for.